Hello guys, I'm at campaign through many World of Warcraft matches, Mystic Man 123, and many Renaissance fairs. He's a wonderful person, and we found out that we both agree against drugs and we're for prohibition. He's a wonderful man, and I think you guys should elect him for president. Thank you. Now, I have to go edit the films now.
Hello, I'm Sarah Palin. I know Campaign after he helped us with the McCain Project. He helped register voters in high school, and he's also bilingual, so he helped a lot with the Spanish voters. He's very passionate about our country, and he supports New Jersey to the utmost respect. And I think you should probably vote for him just because of the fact that his passion will help New Jersey.
I'm Champagne. I'm Campaign's mother. I just love him so much. He still lives at home with me, but I wouldn't have it any other way because I just adore him. And I mean, I still pick out his clothes every day, so where would he be without me? But I just love him so much.
Oh hey, I'm Tony Petrofetta, and I support Campaign in every act that he does, including prohibition and also against violence and cursing. I've been his longtime best friend. I've helped him out through the past. During high school, he was never into sports. He was more into LARPing and stuff of that nature, but I took the other road. More of a football player, a jock, you know. But vote for Campaign, and I, Tony Petrofetta, support this message.